Buddy Wuddy. Let's look at this. Look. Yum. Yum yum. Yum yum, buddy Wuddy. Look, buddy, my nail polish matches the flowers. That's pretty cool. Can I drop it over the side? Yum yum. Yum yum. Drop it over the side. Good boy, Buddy Wuddy. Good boy. You're so handsome. Good boy. So pretty. You're a very nice boy. Yeah. You're a good boy. There you are. Just turn this. Do you want to jump on my? You want to sit? He's going to want to sit right next to my face, aren't you? Yes, because you're a very good boy. It's a very sunny day today, isn't it? Sure. Do you want to sit on my shoulder? Sit on my shoulder. No, he doesn't want to sit on my shoulder. He just wants to sit on my hands like a good boy. What about up here on my phone? Nope. Come here, Buddy Wuddy. Come on. He just wants to sit on my finger all day, don't you? You just want to sit on my finger now, don't you? Oh, you're a little cutie, Wuddy. Yep, you just want to sit on my finger. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Buddy.